didn't even realize you were right there. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Reggie Dior. If you're new here, this channel covers everything lifestyle, beauty, and fashion. If that's your thing, be certain to hit that subscribe button. Also, be certain to hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss another video as I drop them. Now, typically I drop videos every Wednesday. However, you want to hit the notification bell on those special days when I drop content throughout the week. So, with no further ado, let me go ahead and jump into the purpose of this video. Today we're going to discuss Self-Care Sunday. Today is Sunday. Sundays are very important to me. I like to take the time to just kind of, take a step back, anything I want to possibly get done or accomplish through the week. This tool is going to help aid in Self-Care Sunday. I know, you get worked up and wound up tight throughout the week. I know sometimes you don't have time to go to a masseuse, or perhaps, you want to stay safe during COVID and you don't want to go to a masseuse just to avoid, getting any face-to-face contact or any viruses transferred, and I understand that. I do get out more now. I always practice social distancing. I always wear my mask. However, if there's something I can avoid, like going to a masseuse or maybe getting my nails done as much, I'll go ahead and shave back on that. And that's just to keep me safe and everybody else safe, right? All right. So today, like I said, we're going to talk about ways to self-care on Sunday. We're going to talk about the HyperX percussion tool. I've been seeing these on YouTube. I've been seeing these on Instagram. I've been seeing these on Facebook. I've seen these in Dillard's. I've seen these in Nordstrom's. I've seen these in Walmart. So I wanted to go, without any further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this video. So as I was telling you guys, I'm really big into self-care, and that's rather I'm reading, as you guys seen me doing at the beginning of the video, or eating healthy, exercising, being mindful of the type of television that I watch, being mindful even of the type of, individuals that I hang around with. All of that plays a major part in your self-care, right? And also, your mental health. I guess they all kind of tie together if you think about it. But this tool right here, honestly, I need it, because if I even miss 1 week of working out, like my hammies are done for, my quads are done for, everything is just done data. So this right here helps loosen up those muscles, and it's kind of like rolling on those noodles you'll see in the gym that look so unsanitary, and they're just too bulky for me to have one in my house. So this little device is perfect. It's small, it's compact. But if you think of it that way, just kind of like loosening up that muscle soreness and relieving that body fatigue, that's what this device is for. So I'm going to go ahead and go over exactly, we're going to open the box together, and we're going to go over what exactly each piece is. Here we have the Epulse HyperX Percussion Massage Tool. It has 20 different levels of intensity, 8 different massage heads. It's cordless. It has a rechargeable battery. It has 6 hours of battery time. I'm seeing a lot of athletes use this device before and after their workouts on Instagram now. So I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. I know everybody loves a good unboxing, so let's unbox together. Here's what it looks like on the inside. This is a little compact traveling case to keep the gun secure, all of the pieces together. Super compact. I can see you someone putting this in their suitcase to travel with. It's small enough to do that. And that's in any size, any of the 3 pieces in a suitcase set. On the inside, you can see that it has 4 different little brochures. This first one here is a 2-year warranty, and it tells you to register your device on the website within 15 days of purchase. This is just a little, this is a brochure that lets you know where to go on the website to troubleshoot and look for different ways to maintenance your gun if you've lost your brochures. This brochure here is the user manual. It tells you how to properly charge, which is 3.5 hours before the first use. It goes over how to operate, clean, and store each, and it tells you what each one of the massage heads do. This is an acupuncture guide, which is really cool. Each of the numbers listed on the front correlates with the number on the back, and it tells you what the actual treatment points are. So it has leg pain, it has migraine, it has back pain, it has if you can't sleep, and then it has the throat and pain and swelling. This here is the charging case that it comes with. And this right here, they say to use it on the palm of your hand and your sole. This device is used for muscle bulging, such as calf muscles. This device is used for the cervical spine and bilateral muscles, and not to be used directly on the cervical spine. This one here is for the feet, palms, Achilles tendons. This one is used for shock absorption and prevents damage to sensitive muscle groups. This cactus shape is good to experience the tendons, massage to relieve the tendons. I've already showed you guys this one. This one here is recommended for the abdomen, buttocks, legs, as well as relaxation before and after exercise. Here's the actual gun. I didn't show you guys the bottom here, but I'll show you a little later in the video. At the very bottom, there's an on-off switch. Once you click that on-off switch, you can then power it on the back of the device. And that red button there, if you can see that, that's the power button. And then it has the plus and minus for you to adjust the levels of intensity. So at the very bottom, I wanted to show you guys the bottom of this, the on-off button that I skipped over in that portion of the video. And again, once you turn it on, you're going to see on the back, you can go ahead and press the power. And these buttons, the plus and the minus, you just simply press those. And that's going to increase or decrease the intensity. So I'm going to go ahead and use this on myself. This here, let's see exactly what this tool says. All it does. Okay, so this one here is suitable for the waist, abdomen, buttocks, legs, as well as muscle relaxation before and after massages. So let's use it on my leg. Let's use it on my leg. My little chicken legs. Y'all, this is no, oh my God. This feels so good. Oh my goodness, that feels good. So this one, it says you can use it on your stomach, your abdomen. I'm going to use it on my shoulders now. Oh. You guys have no idea. Oh my God, that feels so good. This feels so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop there. You guys are trying to enjoy the moment with me. I recommend you get your own. Let's see. Let's try out a different one. So this tool here is supposed to be for It says bulging muscles in the calves, and you can just easily pull the little massage tool off of here, just as easy as that, and you slip it in just as easy. It's nothing complex. So let's see. I'm gonna try the calf. Let's see how this one, that's what it says. It's for, yeah, it's for the muscles such as the calves. So let's see how this feels on my calves. I'm gonna turn this up some, the intensity. Oh, y'all. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize my calves felt like that or were tight like that. Okay, yeah, this feels bomb. This feels so good. Okay, that's that one. I'm just gonna try a couple of others. We're not gonna go too crazy on here. Let's try this one. So this one says, that this one is a small arc which fits in the body modeling mechanism, and it makes it feel better, suitable for the inside and outside muscles of the abdomen, chest, legs, and human body. The chest. Interesting. So you just slip it in there super easily. You can pull it out super easily, slip it back in super easily. So let's power it on. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. I'm going to try my chest area, but not too high. I don't want to just, I don't know. Oh, man. Oh, y'all. I don't know if you guys ever do those little chest presses or any type of, you know, I ain't gonna go over all the exercises. I can't think. This feels too good. But oh my God, it feels so good right here. It's like all those muscles right there. Oh my God. Yeah. Wow. Wow. You know what? I think that I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video and follow back up and let you guys know if I still like it. But that was the purpose of me getting this device, honestly, to keep myself out of the gym a little bit, substitute for those disgusting noodles. Like sometimes when I work out, like my body is so tight and so sore, like I just really, I needed this little device. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop the link below to where you can purchase this. I was looking at a review on Men's Health, and it was saying for these type of devices that you want to be really careful and cautious if they're under $100. This one definitely was more than that. The link is in the description, so you can, you know, check this one out if you like, or, you know, check out another brand. I like this one. I mean, this feels fantastic. I think I'm gonna again follow up again in a month or two and let you guys know if I still like it, if I still recommend it, because this is fresh out the box, giving it a try and seeing if I like it. So anyway, if you're still here with me, thank you very much for watching along this far. Again, it's Reggie Dior. I'm dropping content on every Wednesday, and be certain to hit the notification bell, because sometimes I may drop content more frequently than that, and I don't want you to miss anything new. So anyway, you guys have an amazing Sunday. I know that I am. I'm gonna just kick back and probably meditate a little bit and just enjoy some me time. You know, sometimes you just want to enjoy the day, and you don't want to just be out and about, and the whole day just runs by. The next thing you know, it's Monday morning and you're not relaxed. So enjoy your day, guys. Peace, love, and light, and be certain to come back and check me out. And until next time.